Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X5M and Porsche Cayenne. Let's dive into their performance. The BMW X5M boasts an impressive 617 horsepower from its powerful V8 engine, delivering thrilling acceleration. However, the top-tier Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.1 seconds. Many drivers also find the Cayenne offers a more agile and connected driving experience overall, making it feel incredibly responsive on the road. Moving inside, both SUVs offer luxurious cabins, but with different philosophies. The BMW X5M presents an exquisite and futuristic interior, complete with advanced digital displays. The Porsche Cayenne stands out with an available 10.9-inch touchscreen display specifically for the passenger, a unique tech feature. When considering value, the BMW X5 often provides more standard upholstery options, giving you a premium feel without always needing extra upgrades. When it comes to practicality, there are some key differences. The BMW X5 offers a generous 33.9 cubic feet of cargo space behind its rear seats, which is quite ample for daily needs. For those requiring serious hauling capability, the Porsche Cayenne truly shines, capable of towing up to 700 pounds. Furthermore, the base BMW X5 typically starts at approximately $19,000 less than the base Cayenne, offering significant value. Ultimately, choosing between these two depends on your priorities. The BMW X5M delivers a powerful, wild, and incredibly fun driving experience, perfect for enthusiasts seeking raw excitement. The Porsche Cayenne, on the other hand, is widely praised for its precise handling, refined road presence, and overall driving dynamics that feel more like a sports car. Both are exceptional, but cater to slightly different tastes. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.